Go ahead.
So, Kendall just told me about Manufacturing Week early October and was asking me if I can share some thoughts with all of you hardworking manufacturing members. Absolutely. I mean, we are a manufacturing company. This is our heart and soul. We live in the plant. We would be nothing without all of you hardworking people and team members coming in every day and basically put your hours here to work at OMT-Veyhl and to make the products which we sell to our customers. So thank you very much for doing that. Keep doing it. When you think back hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, this is how everything started. There was somebody who could make something, and the guy who could make something then started to sell it to others, and this is how all trade and all the businesses around the world started. So that's the absolute foundation and absolutely important for us as OMT-Veyhl, for our customers, because they need the products you make, but also for the region and for this country. We need to make stuff, and we should be proud of making stuff. So thank you very much, and good job, and keep doing it.
I want to thank the shipping team and receiving team for all the long hours. It's greatly appreciated. I want to especially thank the Fab Group. You guys put in a lot of hours, and that is greatly appreciated. We know what difficult time you guys are having.
Hello guys, I appreciate all your hard work. I know we've been working a lot of overtime and long hours. I just want to say thank you for your continued support, and together, if we keep working hard on getting the schedule done, hopefully we can have a shorter week soon.
Just want to say thank you to my Zone 3 third shift team that you've gone above and beyond in the last few months, asked to work a lot of hours, and just done a wonderful job. Thank you again for a great year.
Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for being here every day and doing your best always, and putting up with all the stuff that we have to get through on a daily basis that doesn't always come out very easy. So thank you guys, you're awesome.
I want to say thank you for everybody for understanding the transition that took place when I came over here. It means a lot. You guys are doing a great job. You're doing amazing work, and you're really helping me out, and you're helping us all work better as a company. Thank you.
Alright, so I just want to say thank you to all my team members. I appreciate their effort every day so we can get through the day and the week safely. Thank you.
Thank you, shipping, for all your efforts lately and for continuing to progress and grow as we continue to change our work instructions and change the processes. I appreciate all your hard efforts every day, pulling in the same direction for OMT.
I just want to say I'm so proud of my team because they are very hard workers and they're self-motivated and they do a great job.
I want to thank everybody on my team. You guys are awesome, hard workers, loving each and every one of you.
Just want to say thank you to all the team in fabrication and everyone who runs the lasers. You're doing a great job. Keep up the good work.
I want to say thank you to my team for all the hard work they always put in. They're always willing to go above and beyond to get the job done no matter what it takes.
Hi, I am proud of my team at 808. We're doing a great job. Thank you so much.
I appreciate my team because they're hardworking and they help me out when I need it. I appreciate my team because they're hard workers and willing to learn new things.
I appreciate my team because they're hard workers and great people.
I just want to say thank you to my team for all of their hard work and effort for OMT.
Thank you, everybody. I appreciate all your hard work. Thank you. You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you, team.
Thank you so much.